In this video, we're going to use a trick how we can create our labels here, but this label has an array of multiple values, and we'll make sure that the upper one will be bold and everything else will not be bold. So let's start to look how to bold only the first label in the X scale. So the first thing what we need to do here is of course get our boiler template, which you can find here on chartjs3.com getting started. Once you're on here, and this link you can find as well in the description box, scroll down and copy this chunk of code here. Next, check out my Patreon page here if you want to get the source code of this video and many others, and of course support the Chart.js Discord channel here. Join now. Alright, so what we're going to do here is a trick, and that's basically what we're going to do. So what I want to do here is create a second scale as well. So we're going to say here the X scale number 1, and then you're going to say X scale number 2, and you just put it in here. So if I save this, refresh, you can see now we have this double. So we have some work to do here. You can see here a double grid line, etc, etc. So what I want to do here is first remove all the borders. So I say border display false. Save that, and now if I refresh, you can see here, maybe you will notice it, it's getting lesser in thickness or darkness color. So next what I want to do here is the grid, say display false. Very simple. Display false. Save. Refresh. Alright, so now we're back to its original state. What we're really doing is a cosmetic trick here. I want these numbers here, but of course, for example, for Monday, I would like to have it like this. So I'm going to say comma 10, comma 10, for example. And then if I do like this, what will happen now is it duplicates both of it. So what I'm going to do here is basically saying one will only have the names of the days, and the others will consist of the array of the numbers here. So let's copy all of this, and I'm going to show you a very simple trick that this is possible. So I'm going to say here the labels, put in all here, but I'm going to remove everything else. There we are, save that, refresh, and now you can see we only have the specific one. For the second one, I will do the same. We can do it like this, I guess, but of course here I will have something else. It could be here long label, but let's say here some values here. If I save this, oh, of course, probably I'm forgetting a comma. There we are, save, refresh. There we are. So now we have this here. You can see here we have some work to do. What I can do here is, well, first of all, let's make that bold. So I'm going to say comma, say, what is that, the ticks that we're going to focus on. And then we're going to say here the font, and then we're going to say here the font weight specifically. We'll make it bold. Save, refresh. All right, there we are. Next, what I want to do here is just get all of these or remove all of those, and that's quite simple. We can put in here a null value. And of course, null is a variable, so we can remove the quotation marks. It should not be a string. And just change them all. And finally here as well, save, refresh, and look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. And that is basically how you can do it.